Welcome students to online audio and video lessons. This is an initiative taken by Seth Vidya Mandir English High School, CBSE, Vasai, Maharashtra. I am Ms. Madhumita Tarafdar from Seth Vidya Mandir English High School, going to teach you chapter 7 of computers for standard 7. So this is the second part of the video, second part of this chapter. Let's go with the video. Okay, so student, the last video I have told you what is computer virus, what are the signals to understand what a when your computer has attached with a virus, what are the warning signals, what computer virus can do and what it cannot do. So all this we have learned in the previous video. Now in this video we are going to learn about the types of viruses. So depending upon the sector where the virus are affecting, we have divided the virus into 6 parts. Mainly 3 parts are there, and the last three types of viruses are actually the hybrid of these three. Okay, of the top 3 viruses. So main viruses are program virus, boot virus and macro virus. And this is multiparite, polymorphic and stealth. These 3 viruses are actually the hybrid of this top 3 viruses, that is program, boot and macro viruses. So let's go with the viruses, that is depending upon the portion where the infection where it targets your computer, that depending upon that we have categorized the viruses. Okay, so let's go with the program virus. So this is the program virus, and it actually infects the program files. Okay, all the program files, that is program files means you are having in your, when you switch on your computer, and in that C drive, if you go to the C drive you will be having program file there. And a program file is a very important part of your computer. If there is no program file, your computer cannot get started. So program file actually contains all the extensions such as .com, .exe, .sys, .dll, .ovl, .scr. These are the main extensions of all the programs. So it is the place where your softwares are being installed and kept. So if this part of the computer gets infected, that means it will start malfunctioning. So the program viruses actually tries to attack or tries to infect your program files with the extensions such as .com, .exe, .sys, .dll, .ovl, .scr. So, and this is the only place where all the virus try to attack on this place only, because this is the most important part of your computer, and if it get attacked to viruses, your computer will stop working. So this is the program viruses are actually more destructible than other viruses. Okay, so example of program viruses are Acid Rain, Alien 298, Sunday. There are some more example also, Umbrella, Cascade, Crazy A. So these are the examples of program viruses. So hope you have understood what is a program viruses and where it get attached. So in the next is your boot virus. Boot means when you start your computer, when your hard disk gets started overloading the data, that time it is known as booting. That process is known as booting. And when those viruses which affect at the time of boot of your hard disks and floppy disks, that viruses are known as boot viruses. It actually infect your hard disk and your floppy disk. Okay, and these are the more dangerous than the program virus. Now understand why these are more dangerous than your program virus, because once it get affected, your whole hard disk will get crashed, your hard disk will get infected. So these are more dangerous than your program viruses. Okay, so some of the examples of boot viruses are Disk Killer, Michelangelo, Stoned viruses, Devil 941, Egg. These are some of the example of your boot viruses. Okay, Next is your macro virus. So as the name suggests, macro is a set of commands written by the user to execute later. Actually macro are some like if you are making some Excel file, some Word file, so these are macro files actually. And if a virus infect the Excel file or your Word files, those viruses are known as macro viruses. Okay, so macro viruses use macro language. Actually they use this language only so that your whole programming format they can change it. Okay, and it is more likely to change your Word and Excel file. Sometimes you have seen children's like you are having some Word file and it was written in English, but once you start it and it is showing something in Chinese language. Why? Some sort of means the format has changed. You have written in some other language and it has changed to some other language. Not only Chinese, any other language also it can change it. So this type of changes, sometimes the changes come. So this type of changes is format changing the format is type of viruses are called macro viruses. Okay, and they spread rapidly because you are always users share their Word file and Excel file with others. So these viruses generally attach themselves to this Word file and Excel file and they get transferred from one computer to another computer. So for example, Melissa, Concept, Nuclear, these are some of the examples of your macro viruses. And do you know that students, Melissa virus was released on 26 March 1999 and it was designed to infect the macros in documents used by MS Word. So it has started itself propagating by emailing. When people used to email their data from one computer to another, it has started propagating from one computer to another. Okay, so these are the three main types of viruses, that is program, boot and macro. So now let's go with the other three viruses, that is multiparite, polymorphic and stealth. So what is multiparite? This is also a fast spreading virus and it is often very difficult to clean. We cannot clean it. It affects, see now this is the hybrid I am telling you, it affects both the boot and the program sectors. So it is a hybrid virus and it affects the boot sector as well as the program sector. So multiparite is more it is fast in spreading. Next is your polymorphic virus. This type of viruses actually change the code. So suppose when it passes from one computer to another, it actually change itself. From if it is in this computer it was XYZ, if it then it passes transferred itself to another computer, it will become ABC. So you cannot find the viruses. It is not possible for the antiviruses to find it that this virus has came or not because it is changing itself. Okay, so this is why it is known as polymorphic. And next is your stealth virus. Stealth virus is it actually uses a techniques so that user cannot detect itself. Okay, or antivirus cannot find these viruses. Stealth viruses means those are stealing some data from your computer. So this type of viruses thus are using some techniques so that the user or the antivirus cannot detect them. Okay, so these are the three types of viruses: multiparite, polymorphic and stealth. Multiparite is viruses which affect both the boot and the program sector. Polymorphic changes its code when it passes from one computer to another. And stealth viruses, it actually uses a technique so that user or antivirus cannot detect them. So these are the types of viruses. So hope you all have understood this much types of viruses. In the next video I will be telling you malwares. So till then, thank you and have a nice day.